In this video, I'll reveal 10 dark secrets they don't want you to know. You'll be shocked when you see them. They call it the City of Dreams. But behind the glittering lights and red carpets lies a darkness most people never see. Hollywood was built on fantasy, but sustained by power, manipulation, and silence. Behind every glamorous smile is a contract, a secret, or a scandal waiting to explode. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 10 secrets Hollywood never wanted you to know. The kind of secrets that change the way you look at fame, success, and the people we call stars. Because Hollywood isn't just about storytelling. It is the story, one they've been rewriting for 100 years. 1. The Fame Factory. Most celebrities you see on screen aren't discovered. They're manufactured. From their first audition to their first scandal. Their public lives are designed in conference rooms. Talent agencies map out personas. PR firms create fake friendships. Even rivalries are scripted to keep audiences hooked. A breakout actor might accidentally leak a rumor, a breakup, a feud, a new role, because controversy equals relevance. In Hollywood, you don't need talent to survive, just the right story. The Fame Factory never sleeps, because attention is a real currency. 2. The casting couch myth. That's not a myth. For decades, rumors circulated about closed-door auditions. Many brushed it off as gossip, until the hashtag #MeToo movement tore the mask off. Behind the glitz, young actors were manipulated, exploited, and silenced. Powerful producers used fame like a weapon, and speaking out often meant career death. The truth? The system didn't fail. It was designed to protect the powerful. Some survivors rebuilt their careers. Others vanished completely. Even now, people in the industry whisper the same warning. Be careful who you say no to. 3. The price of perfection. Behind the camera, beauty isn't optional. It's demanded. Extreme diets, surgeries, injections, and hidden drug use are all part of maintaining the illusion. Studios quietly pressure stars to stay camera ready, even if it destroys their health. For some, the price of perfection becomes an addiction that outlives their fame. Social media made it worse. Now every photo, every wrinkle, every ounce is analyzed by millions. Hollywood created the illusion, and then became trapped by it. 4. Fake romances for PR. When your favorite celebrities fall in love, it's often business, not passion. Publicists coordinate fake couples to promote upcoming films, sell music, or bury scandals. Every handhold, every paparazzi photo, staged for clicks. The breakup? Also planned, because heartbreak keeps fans talking, and talking means money. In Hollywood, love isn't blind, it's contractual. 5. The haunting of Hollywood. Hollywood's ghosts are more than superstition. From the cursed set of Poltergeist, where multiple actors died mysteriously, to The Exorcist, plagued by accidents. The stories are endless. Paramount, Universal, and even old theaters like the Roosevelt are said to host restless spirits of stars who never got their ending. Maybe it's guilt. Maybe it's energy left behind from the obsession with fame. But the haunting of Hollywood is very real, both spiritually and psychologically. 6. The blacklist nobody talks about. Some stars don't fade, they're erased. Say the wrong thing, expose the wrong truth, or stand up to the wrong person, and you're suddenly unemployable. No official memo, no public scandal, just calls that stop coming. Writers, actors, directors, many have been quietly blacklisted for decades. Hollywood doesn't fire you, it forgets you. And for people who live off being seen, that silence is worse than death. 7. Secret societies and symbolism. From hidden triangles and one-eye symbols to coded gestures at awards. Many believe Hollywood hides secret messages in plain sight. Whether it's coincidence or control, the imagery is everywhere. Posters, music videos, even acceptance speeches. Some think it's all myth. Others claim it's how power signals itself to power. Hollywood runs on illusion, but even illusions leave clues, if you know where to look. 8. The Oscar curse. Winning an Oscar seems like the ultimate reward, but often marks the beginning of a downfall. Winners suddenly face depression, broken marriages, and lost careers. It's not superstition, it's psychology. When the highest goal is reached, there's nowhere left to go but down. And in Hollywood, You're only as good as your last hit. The statue shines bright, but it casts a long shadow. 9. Real crimes, real cover UPS. Every year, stories vanish before they ever hit the news. Drug overdoses labeled accidents. Suicides that never had an investigation. Powerful studios move fast to protect billion-dollar images. Police reports disappear. Witnesses change their minds. The truth is, Hollywood doesn't just make movies. It edits reality. And the darker the truth, the deeper it's buried. 10. AI, deepfakes, and the future of fame. The newest Hollywood secret? Some of the faces you see online aren't real. AI-generated actors are already starring in ads and short films. They don't age, don't argue, and don't need salaries. For the studios, it's the perfect deal. For real actors, it's the beginning of the end. When machines replace emotion, Hollywood will have finally automated humanity. Hollywood isn't a dream, it's a mirror. It shows us who we want to be, not who we are. Every smile hides a struggle. Every headline hides a truth. Because in Hollywood, the show must go on, even if it means keeping the darkest secrets hidden forever. Movie Camera subscribe for more hidden stories and untold truths from behind the spotlight.